Did you know a contract killer murdered over 200 people while coaching his daughter's softball team? Richard Kuklinski lived the perfect double life. In suburban New Jersey, dad by day, cold-blooded assassin by night. His neighbors saw a family man who barbecued on weekends. The criminal underworld knew him as the Iceman. His signature move? Freezing victims' bodies to confuse investigators about time of death. But Kuklinski didn't just use ice. Guns, crossbows, cyanide, whatever got the job done. For decades he fooled everyone, even his own wife and kids. Then the FBI launched a 5-year undercover operation. Agent Dominic Polifrone posed as a fellow criminal. He told Kuklinski he needed someone killed. Kuklinski took the bait. He bragged about his methods, described his favorite weapons, even demonstrated how he'd commit the murder, all while wearing a wire. When they arrested him in 1986, his family couldn't believe it. Their loving father was one of America's most prolific killers. The Iceman's double life had finally melted away.